I hear a siren. They're coming! Shut down the bunker! Get it!
Get down. Did it end? More coming? The nukes landed far enough away from us that
We just out of blast radius.
just out. We still felt something, but it didn't knock down anything. So hopefully we're good. We'll check outside for something.
Power's back on.
Yeah. So we got that.
Get the gas mask. Get the gas mask! There'll be radiation out there, dude.
Jeremy, are you coming?
I saw one. It's like, you guys go get ready.
I don't even know if this will fit his fat head.
You guys go get ready.
Now push it back on. There, boom. Oh, hey, what's that?
Okay, we got our masks on.
Here,
Hopefully we'll
I'll sit this right here.
dodge any radiation that will keep us from anything. Right now there's only 3 of us, and we're trying to find survivors that we can bring back to our bomb shelter, nuke shelter, and hopefully save. Here we go. Right now we can't really get a visual of the whole entire place. It doesn't look too destructed. That's good. So that means we didn't get too much radiation. So probably in a little...
It's called fallout.
Yeah. Hopefully we can pull our mask down in a little. Now in the woods over here, there's a lot of campers out here. That hopefully we can hear them find. This looks like some we can find. Stuff meeting us over here. There's some stuff, arrows. There's a net back there.
Hey, watch your eyes so don't get poked with a stick.
Always gotta watch where you're going. There's some thorn bushes. Stuff all over. As we get here, we see some. Right here's where the trail ends. And I don't seem to see any more stuff caused by humans. Last thing now, I'm going to check the perimeter. Make sure there's no additional things coming.
This is the lookout tower.
Okay. So we see nothing to the south. Nothing to the south over there.
Oh, oh. I come in peace. I am a survivor. We need assistance. We're out of food.